Hello, this is Dr. Bennett, and we're going to be looking at biblical interpretation skills, the online resource blb.org. So if you could navigate to that website, I'm going to share my screen here and type in blb.org. And we're going to start with the search bar and load in 2 Samuel chapter 7, verse 1. I'm going to leave it on King James Version and click the search button. And here we have the verse, and it came to pass when the king sat in his house and the Lord had given him rest round about from his enemies. So to access our tools, we're going to click the tools button right here, and it's going to bring up the Hebrew text and the transliterated version. So scroll down below the Hebrew until we find the word in his house. And that's the word that we want to look up today. And it's going to be Strong's number H1004. So click H1004 and scroll down below the dictionary entries here. There's some brief translations, and then there's a definition from Strong's dictionary, and then a definition from Brown Driver Briggs dictionary, which is an abbreviated version, and then also Gesenius Hebrew Chaldee Lexicon. So if we keep going down below all of these, we get to the first occurrence of the word house in the Bible, and it's in Genesis 6:14. So if we leave it on King James Version, then it's going to indicate the exact word that Strong's H1004 points to. And in this case, it's the word within, which seems a bit strange. But for the most part, we go right to the word house or some other meaning of the word house. So this is a useful tool to find out all the occurrences of this Hebrew word. If there are other Hebrew words for house, I won't find those. It's just finding the Hebrew word that is pronounced by it.
Strong's H1004. Bayeth.
And this is a powerful tool that we can use in many ways. In this case, we're using it as a kind of concordance to find this word in other books of the Bible. So that's the first introduction to our biblical tools, the blueletterbible.org.